Welcome to New Beginnings Window and Doors. We're here with Chris Carton, Carton & Sons Construction. We're going to go over a quick tutorial on some tips and tricks. So Chris, I got you here with me. I'm going to let you do the heavy lifting, but we have a double hung window here and we attempted to clean that window. We did a good job of cleaning it, but when we put it back together, we have a little issue. So I'm going to let you jump in here and explain what one of the major causes are of these issues when we've had a window that was operating perfectly and properly, and then all of a sudden we have a clean window and it no longer does what the window is supposed to do. And there is one item that always happens, right, Chris? And 90% of the time we know the cause of it, don't we?
We do. And what happens, if you watch our short tutorial, you'll see we go over this very importantly. When this window comes out and tilts, if you hold it at a 90 degree, you can remove this sash. So what's happened in this case is the homeowner has washed their window, thought they were all good, and we're not fully in. So Dave, if you come over here real quick, we can see the shoe here that the window locks into. This is the balance and tension system, which allows the window to slide easily up and down and hold in place. So when you do encounter this situation, the best thing to do is remove the sash completely. So holding it at 90, you're going to be able to release it from its shoe and take it out. Once we've done that, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to come back into this shoe and you are going to turn it clockwise and allow it to come up. And you want it approximately the same height as the shoe that's locked in higher. And then you're going to turn it back counterclockwise till it's facing up 90.
And one word, Chris, because we've all been there, is you need to, when you turn that clockwise, keep pressure down on it and let it up easy, because if you think there is not tension on that, it will shoot up through and possibly get damaged, but mostly what it will do is scare the living tar out of you. So pressure down on it as you twist it back up to that upright position and line it up approximately even with each other. And then at that point, Chris will do the magic and show you that you do not have a broken window. You simply have a window that you have now learned how to clean properly.
And what can also happen is our weather stripping is replaceable, so it does slide from time to time. You just push it even with the ends of the window, go back into your channels at a slight angle, holding 90. Now you can see here, I have the shoes a little bit off. If you're only making a minor adjustment, you can tap on the higher shoe just to get them approximately parallel to each other. And then back in place you go. And now you can see we have a window that is going up and down smoothly and holding in place as opposed to sagging.
So that is our tips and tricks of the day. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 845-298-DOOR. And as always, don't forget to begin each day with a beautiful view.